Hello, my good friends, I hope you're doing well. Today I want to talk about the functionality of the LMStudio software. This includes topics such as downloading, installing, downloading models, running models, and setting up the API server with this software. Alright, let's get started. Alright, let's just go ahead and visit the LMStudio website. Here, based on your operating system, you can select the installer file for download. Furthermore, at this URL, you can download the beta version of the program for both Linux and Windows. By downloading the beta version, you can access software features such as adding new models sooner than the stable releases. Since my operating system is Windows, I will download the Windows version of the software. Double-click on the installer file twice and wait for the software to be installed. In the Home and Search sections, you will see several things. Firstly, you can view the new models supported by the software. Additionally, you can select and download models based on the quantization level, which is indicated by the label very small next to it. For example, here I am downloading Phi 2. There is a search bar section where you can search for the specific model you have in mind. There is a diverse range of models available for searching. Once you find it similar to before, you can download it based on the quantization level. In the My Models tab, you can make changes to the models you have downloaded. For instance, you can delete them or set presets. You also have the option to change the storage location for your models. In the chat section, where you're likely to spend most of your time, you need to select the desired model from the ones you have downloaded. Once the model is loaded, you can then write your desired prompts. You can also adjust settings such as making the software utilize your GPU. Check the box in this section and start with the number 20, then increase it based on your system capability. Additionally, you can create a prompt system. What is a prompt system? A prompt system is a set of rules written to constrain the responses of the language model for the user. I wrote a prompt, "My name is Tony and I like ice cream." I hit reload and let's see how the response differs from before. As you can see, it didn't write Mistral. Instead, it wrote Tony. I believe you've grasped the concept of the system prompt so far. In the Local Server tab, you can launch a local API that functions exactly like the OpenAI. This allows you to integrate it into your own programmed apps or other software, such as private GPT, anything LLM or LangChain. It's quite simple. First, you load your desired model. Then, if needed, you adjust the left side settings such as the server port and so on. After that, you hit Start Server. To test the server, I want to test the launched server using curl and see if it responds or not. For this, I open my Windows subsystem for Linux. You can use CMD or whatever you like. Then, I copy this example code of the software and enter it. As you can see, the server is ready to use and works. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.